GoHighLevel just released a new Ask AI Chrome extension on Google. This extension will search the website, click through websites, fill out forms, and even complete tasks inside of your browser. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this is and how to set it up in your GoHighLevel account. So if you want to set up this Chrome extension, you got to come to Ask AI in your sub account. So the first thing I want to say is this is like super freaky. Like I've not seen anything like this. I've never seen HighLevel have a Chrome extension before. This is a little weird, but it is definitely the future. So I need to show you it. So type in anything inside of Ask AI and you will see right here, right down here, this pops up. So what you're going to do if you want this is you're going to click install and it's going to open up in a different browser just like this. And it's going to be called Lead Connector Ask AI. You can read about it right here. It's all right here. And all you're going to do is you're going to click add to Chrome. It's going to have this right here. It can access blah, blah, blah. Remember, this can always access your stuff. So just look at whatever the privacy policy is. And if you want to do it, add it. So we're going to click add extension and boom, right there. It said it has been added in just like that. So once it's added, we're going to come right back here and we're going to ask it, is the Chrome extension added? Guys, you have to do this because we want to make sure that it's going through and it's working. You have to actually ask it. So this is always the next step. Once you've gone through and you've set this up, we're going to click, is it added? Boom. It says, yes, your Chrome extension is connected and ready. The Ask AI extension can now control your browser, blah, blah, blah. So you might be like, well, what is the point of this? Okay, because some people are very confused. They're like, can't it just access the internet already? Not really, because I'm about to show you a demo so you can see what this is. But this takes control of your tab. So it can go into other tabs, Google stuff, copy and paste. Like it's literally like working on your computer. So say you wanted to go get leads or something like that, as opposed to you going into different tabs and copying and pasting online, it will do it for you. It's like having a real assistant. And guys, the crazy part about this is HighLevel's AI is going to keep getting closer and closer to literally having like somebody on the computer doing the work for you. That's where this is going. And that's why this is so crazy, is it's getting to the point where it's legit just becoming like the all-in-one employee. And it's amazing. And all you have to do is now focus all your time on selling this. So let's try something. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, please go on Google and find me plumbers with bad websites and go through each and check. So we're going to click enter. Okay, boom, it says what city area. We're just going to do Winchester. We're going to click enter right here and we're going to do, honestly, all of these. And we're going to click submit. So look at this. Watch what happens. Look at that. Look at that. My hands are up here. Look at the mouse. Look at the mouse. Look what it's doing. It's literally going through. It's just scrolling through multiple pages right now. Like I'm literally not doing anything. This is my mouse right here. That is its mouse. See the difference? Two different mouses. Hey, look at it. AI is literally doing this. I'm not doing this. Do you see how freaking crazy this is? I'm not doing it. It's doing it. See? Went back. I didn't do anything. See? Right there. It's moving. Look. It's just clicking around and doing its own thing again. Look, here's my mouse. Here's its mouse. Look at that. It's just like going through and doing stuff on a website. I mean, look at this. It's just going through and clicking websites. It's literally in my tab going through and doing stuff. You just saw it. I went and clicked the website. See, it's loading now. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. It's just scrolling through. So I can have it keep going all day, but I'm just going to tell it to stop. I'm going to say, okay, thank you for now. So I said that, and now look at this. It went through. These are the websites it checked. I mean, you guys saw it was clicking around. My hands were up here. That was not me. That was AI in a different browser. And look at this. It went through and is like finding leads. And I don't know how this is going to work with compliance because this is like another level of like just insane to me. But if you think about it this way, this means this can go on Google, go into Forms, go into Notion. It can be copying and pasting from different browsers. This can actually go through and do the work. I mean, it is almost getting to the point where AI inside of HighLevel can do all of the stuff for you, which is going to be awesome because then that means you just focus on prospecting. For some of you that might be like, this is scary. What's going to be the point of marketing agencies? Well, believe it or not, human beings will still not know how to do this. But more importantly, selling will be even more important. And it's always been the most important part. But this is insane. Okay. And again, I followed the exact steps of how to do this. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below. If you guys want to see me make a video on something specific with this, let me know in the comments down below because I'll do it. But I need to know what you want me to do. Do you want me to try to prospect? Do you want me to try to build a website, copy and pasting for something else, putting it into HighLevel? Like, what do you want me to do with this Chrome extension to see the power of it? you just let me know and we'll be good to go. So real quick, if you want to get rid of this, you come right back in here and you just click remove from Chrome and then click remove. And then it's going to say Ask AI has been removed from Chrome. And then we come back here and we say, is the extension still active? It's going to say, let me check right now. Boom. Look at that. It now says the extension is currently disconnected. This is exactly what you want. You always want to check if you got rid of it to make sure it's actually gone. But that's it, guys. That's how insane this is. So again, drop a comment down below if you want to learn more about this. If you guys are interested in getting more hands-on help with this and like, hey, maybe a little hand-holding with this, I have a 30-day free trial of High Level right down below. And when you sign up with that, I'm actually give you access to my entire private community to help you with stuff like this and selling clients if you are interested. And I actually mean 30-day free trial, not the normal standard 14-day trial. It's right down here. If you click down below, you will see this page right here. You get all of these amazing things right in the group down below. I mean, literally more bonuses than anyone else. Like it literally is actually over $9,000 worth of bonuses, and you get it for free when you sign up right down below. You also can see we have a ton of people winning. I'm not guaranteeing this is going to happen to you, but you can click on this page and you can see the amount of people winning. I've won awards too, but all these wins, there's so many people that have won with this. And again, not trying to brag, I'm just trying to show you that I've walked the walk, and this is the best community you can possibly get access to because we give away more than anyone else. We also have Dominic Baptist, who's another high-level affiliate, who's combined his bonuses with me. No one has done it like me. I am a first, but I'm doing this because I truly believe that the high-level community needs more hand-holding and help than ever before to actually get clients. And that is why you get access to all of this for free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial right down below, or you upgrade under my link. I highly recommend you check it out. It is possibly the best community you will ever get access to. So if that interests you, go right down below, sign up, and I'll see you inside the private community. If you guys have any questions, drop them right down below. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna link a video that's gonna pop up. This is gonna be a complete Ask AI tutorial so you can see exactly how this feature works in and out. So thank you for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.